Love is a complex concept that can be challenging to understand. While many people describe love using emotions, it is not solely an emotion itself. The realization of love often happens suddenly, although it may have taken a long time to develop. It's important to consider how long you have known the person and whether you are in a relationship or simply have a distant attraction. Physiological reactions like dilated pupils, accelerated heartbeat, nervousness, sweaty palms, and flushed cheeks can be indicators of love. Asking yourself questions about the relationship, such as how well you know the person, how your life would be without them, and whether you think about them constantly, can help determine if it's love or infatuation. Writing down the qualities you like about the person can further clarify your feelings. Considering if you think of the two of you as a connected unit, and if you are willing to support their dreams and ambitions, are important factors. Accepting your partner for who they are, flaws and all, and being willing to make sacrifices for the relationship are signs of love. Finally, once you have determined that you are in love, it is important to express your feelings to your partner.